Abdel Butucci is the man in the middle, and also Mark Neil Cruz, one of the three graduating seniors, ay magsisimula
careers with the win. Alam naman natin na winners yung mga yan. Of course, lahat naman tayo. Pero itong si Capobres and company, may other plans na gusto na rin nilang makuha yung panalo. Papiso-piso lang nito si Mark Cruz. Bagay na bagay dun sa inside presence niya ni Abdel Butucci.
Isa pang yes para sa Nigeria.
Maganda ang gising ni Mark Cruz dito. Last game na niya, 6 points na kagad siya. Kalahati pa lang ng first.
Tete, binigay kay Grosbeck. Nahanap si Lasqueti. That was a good look. May kasama pang foul. So Lasqueti will head to the line for a bonus free throw.
Very nice interior passing ang pinapakita ng Jerry dito sa ating first quarter. Kanina nakailan si Butucci convert. Talagang yung mga stretch 4 nabubuhay dito kay Abdel. November na, tapos December na. After na, January na. Rangang foreign athlete. Itong San Sebastian, kaya dinadaan nila kay Abdel yung offense nila.
5 to shoot. Costello has it. Long distance three. Ginamit ang
skill-wise, tsaka yung offensive arsenal nila parehas. Matindi din, kagaya nito si Nate Chodoro. Kitang-kita naman, nakapukul lang ng isa, umakyat na kagad ang kumpiyansa. Pumukul ulit, pero you were talking about kung kakayanin ba.
In the first half, and he keep it up. Capobres starts his off with a steal. And if you're Coach Ferrell,
hindi makakuha talaga ng rhythm on offense.
They go down low, the low block to Butucci, and then running off is good. But up, like your alma mater winning yesterday.
Oh naman. Nowhere to go but up talaga.
Fight lang eh.
Oo.
Justin Mercado in the meantime. 2 baskets here in the third. Now has a total of 6. Muntikan pang maagaw kay Butucci ang bola.
Kaya ito, naka-steal na naman.
Another steal by Bulanadi. Now Costello inahabol ni Butucci. Na-blanka pa mula sa likod. He commits that turnover with that sloppy pass. Pero comes right back.
At any given moment, kaya talagang dikit pa rin ang depensa sa kanilang dalawa.
Lasqueti inside to Butucci. Hindi naman na may basket pa. For the Cameroonian, he heads to the free throw line para sa bonus free throw. Oh, a steal again for JRU. Here's Paulo. Behind the back dribble. For 3. Yes! Para sa 3. From Paulo Pontejos.
Yan ang sinasabi. Sabay pull-up naman para sa 3. Paulo Pontejos starting.
Mga kapamilya na nakatutok ngayon, naimbag na aldawyo amin sa mga Ilocano at maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Mga nasa Cebu, Visayas. David, tumuloy-tuloy, easy 2. 10 puntos na, 8 of those 10 coming here in the second half. Pontejos! Ginamaan na, may basket pa.
Ganda nung bihit doon ni Michael Calisan sa ilalim. Nakakita ng butas doon.
That stat line, Sebastian, up by 10. That department, Calisan, kung ano man ang nangyari nung halftime, seemed to work. Michael Calisan, nabanggit mo nga, he has that perimeter shot, but of course,
wala talaga, hindi talaga mahanap ng JRU yung butas ng ating ring. Pero ito sa Sebastian.
Pontejos just keeps on firing, and there it is! Paulo Pontejos finally enters the double-figure category with LMA.